Hey Panthers, this is Miss Kildall and it is mock election 2020. You can vote today. If you want to do that, just go to your Social Studies Teacher Schoology page or the library Schoology page. You will find a link that says vote here or mock election or something like that. It should be pretty obvious because all your teachers want you to be able to vote. You might also find it on your teachers' updates pages. In my case, it says vote here, and down here. I want to make it easy. If you're asked to log into your Google account, you're probably wondering what your email address is. And if you're not sure, you would put in the first letter of your first name, your entire last name. This would be like my example. A 3-digit number that's special to you at stpaul.k12.mn.us. Log into your Google account. You should see this form. It gives you some directions at the top. You can vote once. It's optional. And then it goes into the race for president. It says the candidate, their vice presidential candidate, and their party affiliation. There are other races on here, like the U.S. Senate race from Minnesota. You can vote on those if you want to as well. Hit submit, and you're good. Congrats, you're a voter.